Is there a built-in Python/pandas function to rename duplicate columns in a pandas.DataFrame? Let's say I have a data frame with columns with the same name. Is there built-in general function to rename columns with the same name to differ from each other? Example of a possible result. When reading a CSV with pandas.read_CSV automatically does this, defaulting mangle_dupe_cols equals true, but I could not find a handy way to do this to a data frame object already in Python.
But I could not find a handy way to do this to a DataFrame object already. To an existing DataFrame we have to resort to some code. There is no built-in.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.